Got us a good one on, boys. Out there in TV land. Y'all see this shit?
It's tangled up.
Tangled up, hand lined it in, hooked up with a solid.
Black drum on, boy. Get him in here. He's not that big. Stop running the movie. Just kidding. Play him slowly again. Watch out. You got an anchor out. Just let you know. Big black drum.
He's little. He ain't that big, my ass. Letting him, yeah. Light ass braid on here. That's pretty light. I fish with 65-pound braid.
Yeah, I know.
In freshwater. That's because you're not fishing in open water. Fishing around trees and.
Like he's a big one. He's fighting though.
Come on, buddy. Let's go, baby.
I got fish grips right there. You grab them right behind you, open that box. Attach that. They're attached to that string. Like that, yep. Better not lost no pressure on it. 12 pounds.
Not bad.
You can support his belly.
Hang on. I think I got my pinky in his butthole.
You're good. Now you can set him in the water with his fish grips.
See you later, good buddy. That's what I'm talking about. I know.
If you would have lost any, if you would have gave him any slack, he was done.
Yeah. Well, see, I remember that last one that I caught when we came.
Yeah.
He was the same way. That motherfucker was barely hooked.
Grab the one on it. Fucking put pressure on my thumb and fucking cut it.
Got me a little guy. Little guy for a big fish. He hit it instantly.
Yeah, I know. I was over here. I didn't even feel my bite. I was over here fucking hand lining my shit in because I thought I had your line.
The first cast I got hit instantly too, but I fucking around. I know those weren't the only two fish on. Okay. I was gonna say I know those weren't the only two fish on this dock. Is that the type of jig head you were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, I just got hit. Fuck. Missed him. Missed him. Son of a beach. Son of a beach. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages. You did?
I'm over here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that last bite I just had it didn't feel. Got him. Getting hooked up.
Better not be what I think it is.
Hardhead. Hardhead, baby. Good job. I like that fucking quick release right there.
Quick release, right?
That was.
It's 2 hours, it's time to go.